Greetings and welcome to Ruby Wellness. I'm Nancy Ruby, and today I would like to introduce you to a Qigong practice to help get your energy moving, your Qi flowing. In yoga, we call it Prana. And so we'll come into a comfortable stance about shoulder width apart. Relax your toes, anchor down through the soles of your feet, and then allow yourself to drop your center just slightly, so there's a little bend in your knees. So you're sinking your center closer to the earth. We'll release our hands by our side, and then from the wrist, let's go ahead and draw the arms up. The fingers are dropped, the elbows are soft, and the shoulder blades are lifting the heart. The second move, the arms open to the side, just at the level of the shoulders, heart wide open. Then the fingertips turn up, and then they draw together just above the head. And from here, we push up towards the sky, side body long, and continue that movement, dropping down with elbows soft and fingers drop, moving from the shoulder blades. This time, turn the palms up, and then reach forward gently, offering your hands, and then drawing in to the heart space and sinking down to the earth. Palms down and come back to center. Now with the breath, we inhale the arms up and we exhale, opening. So feel the strength of the shoulder blades opening the arms. Fingers turn up. We inhale, fingertips just above the head, and then continue inhaling as we reach up, opening the lungs. Exhale, lowering down just to shoulder height. Turn the palms up. Inhale, offering your arms forward. Inhale more, bringing that offering into your heart. And then exhale down to the earth. Let's put that together and breathe together. In. Out. Fingers up. Inhale. Inhale more. And out. Palms turn up. Inhale. Inhale more. And exhale. And again. Palms up. Inhale. Inhale. And ground. One more time. Take it up. Exhale, open. Fingers up. Inhale. Inhale. Release. Palms up. Inhale. Inhale. And release. So noticing how that feels to expand that inhalation, to move gracefully with your breath and allow those energy channels to open. Namaste.